Welcome back to Info, where the future comes alive. Every second, technology is rewriting the rules of human life, from artificial intelligence and robots that think to quantum computers that can solve the impossible. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 technologies that are changing life forever. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're the innovations redefining our world, our work, and even what it means to be human. So grab your seat, turn up your volume, and let's step into the future. Together, artificial intelligence, the heartbeat of modern innovation. AI now drives cars, diagnoses diseases, writes music, and even paints art. Machine learning allows computers to learn without being programmed, predicting outcomes faster than any human could. From Google's DeepMind to ChatGPT, AI is becoming not just a tool, but a digital partner in human progress. Next, biotechnology, with CRISPR gene editing. Scientists can alter DNA to cure diseases or even design super-resistant crops. Imagine a future where cancer, diabetes, and genetic disorders are no longer deadly, where organs are grown in labs for transplant. That's not fantasy, it's happening right now. We live in a world powered by the cloud. Your photos, your files, your movies, all stored online. But the next step is edge computing, where processing happens closer to you. This makes real-time actions like autonomous vehicles or smart cities faster, safer, and smarter than ever. Everything is becoming connected: phones, watches, homes, even cities. This is the Internet of Things, billions of smart devices communicating with each other. In the near future, your refrigerator will order groceries, your house will manage energy automatically, and your city will run on real-time data. The connection between brain and machine is no longer a dream. Neuralink and similar companies are developing interfaces that allow people to control computers using thoughts. This could restore movement for paralyzed individuals, or one day let us upload our minds into digital worlds. As the planet heats up, renewable energy is saving our future. Solar panels, hydrogen power, and next-gen batteries are transforming global energy systems. Electric vehicles, smart grids, and clean tech will power our lives without destroying our planet. The stars are calling. With NASA, SpaceX, and Blue Origin, humans are preparing to live beyond Earth. Satellites connect our world, and rockets are getting cheaper and reusable. The next human frontier may not be on Earth, could be on Mars. 3D print *ing allows us to build anything, layer by layer, from buildings to bones. It's fast, cheap, and revolutionary. Doctors are already printing prosthetics and replacement organs. Engineers are 3D printing houses. The future of manufacturing will be digital. Every step forward in technology brings new risks. Cyber attacks, data theft, and digital warfare are rising, but AI-driven cybersecurity systems are defending our digital lives. Protecting privacy will define whether technology becomes our savior or our downfall. And finally, quantum computing. It's the most powerful leap in computer science history. Quantum computers don't use bits like 0 south and 1 south, they use qubits that can exist in multiple states at once. This gives them nearly infinite processing power, unlocking discoveries in chemistry, medicine, and space that were once impossible. The quantum era has begun. We've just explored 10 technologies that are changing life forever. The future is no longer a mystery. It's unfolding right now. In labs, in space, and even in your pocket. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Comment below, let's start the discussion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yeni_Techinfo for more amazing videos about technology, science, and the future. Until next time, I'm Yeni from Techinfo, reminding you to stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead of the future.